At Ethel, we're committed to provide the best quality chocolate in a sustainable way, and we have a number of initiatives to fulfill that commitment. The delicious chocolate in Ethel confections comes from cacao trees, a labor-intensive crop that's grown and harvested in developing countries in West Africa, Asia, and the Americas. Growing cocoa isn't an easy task. Cocoa farmers constantly battle pests, disease, depleted soils, aging trees, and poor access to training and other resources. These struggles mean farmers can only produce a little bit of cocoa at a time, and they often don't earn enough money to sustain their families. Unless something is done to help these farmers, supply won't be able to keep up with the rising demand for cocoa. That's why Ethel Chocolates, as a part of Mars, has made it a priority to put farmers first by giving them tools they need to thrive. We're leading the way in cocoa research to help fill the gap left by years of underinvestment, especially in plant genetics and breeding, pest and disease control, and post-harvest practices. We share relevant findings so they benefit the cocoa industry as a whole and reach farmers quickly and effectively. Farmers need to be empowered to make their farms perform better and invest in their futures. That's why we are setting up hubs in carefully selected locations to demonstrate the principles of profitable, sustainable cocoa farming and to provide education and mentoring to local communities. We've committed to certify 100% of our cocoa supply as produced in a sustainable manner by 2020. Certification is the best tool the industry has to support effective extension services that reach as many farmers as possible around the world and to provide them with enough support and organization to make them successful. By partnering with certification organizations, we can reach more farmers than if we were working on our own. And our Cocoa Sustainability Initiative doesn't stop there. In collaboration with Mars Chocolate North America, UE Solar Inc., and Nevada Energy, the solar garden at the Ethel Chocolate Factory went online in December of 2011. The solar garden supports up to 100% of production during factory peak hours, with enough energy to power 115 households a year. With over 2,000 solar panels, it reduces 867 metric tons of greenhouse gas annually. That amounts to removing 170 vehicles from the road. The solar garden, as a part of the Cactus Garden in Ethel, has become a botanical sanctuary for both tourists and wildlife alike. Established in 1989, the Cactus Garden began as a tribute to Forest Mars Sr.'s love of the desert. It has since tripled in size, with more than 300 species of plants and 4 different types of rock. In addition to cactus plants and lava rocks, some of the wildlife found here include lizards, butterflies, hummingbirds, and rabbits. At Ethel, these projects reinforce our commitment to provide a quality product in a sustainable way. We are making cocoa a vibrant, environmentally sound industry, from cocoa farm to chocolate factory.